Now, local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. What started as a bomb scare was nothing but a game in Blackford County. The Delaware County Bomb Squad responded to a suspicious black box underneath the replica train behind the Tin Lizzy restaurant at the intersection of State Roads 3 and 18. David Cook from Gas City declined to go on camera, but says the box is part of an internet game where people hide packages full of toys and use GPS to find them. Police say the game's costly for taxpayers.
People going around with black boxes in areas anywhere available to the public and hiding these up underneath places like what was done today, I think is an absolute sick game.
Police are gathering more information and say that there could be charges. Muncie motorists will have to reroute their way around downtown over the next few days as several railroad crossings undergo repairs. Newslink Indiana's Randy Rankin explains.
You really worry about the crossings damaging the underneath of your car in Muncie?
Actually, I do, man. I mean, these tracks are kind of rough. You know, you go over these tracks and, you know, your suspension and your wheels, I mean, it's not right at all, you know.
Eric Bradley won't have to worry about this situation much longer. Norfolk Southern Railway is in Muncie for the next 2 to 3 weeks to repair several downtown crossings.
They come in periodically, 4 to 5 years is what they're getting out of a crossing. So it's time for this north-south leg to get a few repairs.
Turner says a tie gang from Pennsylvania will be in town to replace old or worn-down wooden ties as necessary.
Turner says that railroad crossings such as this one here at Fuzon Road need to be repaired once every 4 to 5 years due to heavy train traffic and vehicular traffic.
Dennis Hobbs in Norfolk Southern declined to an on-camera interview due to company policy, but did say the main reasons for the repairs are to help manage train movement and vehicle travel over crossings. Turner says a special train car called a Spirit car is used by the railway to help determine the extent of crossing repairs needed.
That's a car that rides the rail, tells them if there's any imperfections in the rail or breakage in the rail.
In addition to Fuzon Road, the crossings at Hackley and Broadway and 8th Street and Hoyt will be repaired later this week. In Muncie, Randy Rankin, Newslink, Indiana.
Now here's Jennifer Cook with a look at our forecast. Jennifer?
Thanks, Chris. Through the morning hours tomorrow, we're going to continue to see showers linger around. Later on the day, we're going to see the clouds, cloudy skies. We're going to reach a high of 66 degrees. Later on the day, we're going to see clearing. Chris?
Thanks, Jennifer. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 tomorrow morning for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.